Hello guys, welcome to another video on Know It Now, and on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Audiomack streams in Nigeria. And we're going to be using growbetter.net. All you have to do is go to any of your search browser and search www.growbetter.net. As a first timer, once you search it, this is how the website looks like. This is how it's going to display once you search it. Growbetter.net is a website where you put all your social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, Audiomack, Spotify, and other social media apps. And on this website, you can boost your services like followers, subscribers, streams, plays, like, comments, and shares. First thing first, before you make use of this website, you have to have an account with them. You have to sign up and have an account with growbetter.net before you can make any order on this website. And if you don't have an account, all you have to do is click on sign up. It will bring you to this page. You create a username, input your email, create a strong password, confirm password, and click on I'm not a robot. Once you have filled in all these details, you click on sign up. It is that easy and simple to sign up on growbetter.net. I have an account already, right? I'll just input my details and sign in. Once you're signed in as a first timer, also note this is how it's going to display. This is how the website looks like on the inside. This is how it looks like on the inside. I want you guys to note that getting any service on growbetter.net, it is not free. You have to have fund on your account before you can make any order on this website. It is not free. I'm going to be showing you guys how to add fund later, but first and first, let me show you guys how to buy Audiomack streams in Nigeria. Under category, you click on this arrow. You see Audiomack services right there. You click on it. Under this service, you click on this arrow. There are various of Audiomack services there. There's Audiomack streams UK, Audiomack streams Canada, France, Germany, Nigeria, Ghana, Egypt, and South Africa. And as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Audiomack streams in Nigeria, right? You see Audiomack stream Nigeria right there. You click on it. Down here, you see link and quantity. And under this link, you have to input the song link, and under this quantity, you have to input the amount of streams you want to get. I've copied my link before the start of this video. All I have to do is input my link. But if you want me to drop a specific video concerning how to copy song link direct from Audiomack, all you have to do is drop a comment on the comment section, and I'm going to do just that. And under this quantity, as you are seeing down there, is from 1,000 above that you can get your stream, nothing less, from 1,000 above. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be imputing 1,000. I'll click on done. Once you have filled in your correct song link and the quantity of streams you want to get, all you have to do is click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will see a notification on your screen that your order has been received, and your streams will start counting immediately. Note guys, as I said earlier, making use of this website is not free. You have to have fun on your account before you can make any order on this website. I'm going to be showing you guys how to add fun. By just following these few steps I'm about to show you, you'll be able to add fun on growbetter.net. All you have to do is click on the three arrow up here. You see add fun right there. There are various of others there as you can see, but you see add fun right there. You click on add fun. It will bring you to this page where you see method and amount. You leave your method is already on Flutterwave. You leave it as it is, and under this amount is from 1,000 above. You can add. For the purpose of this video, I'm imputing 1,000, and I'll click on done. Once you have input your amount, all you have to do is click on pay. Once you click on pay, it will bring you to this page where you will ask to enter card details to make payments. But there are other payment methods for you to pick from. To change payment method, all you have to do is click on change payment method. It will bring more payment options for you to pick from. To see all payment options, you click on see all payment options. They will bring more payment methods for you to pick from. You see card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, bank transfer, bank, e-naira, and many more. All you have to do is pick any one of your choice. Follow the few steps you'll be shown and add fun on growbetter.net. It is that easy and simple to add fun on growbetter.net. Thank you guys for watching this video, and that's how to buy Audiomack streams in Nigeria. Stay tuned for more relatable videos like this, and if it's your first time coming across Know It Now, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to be notified anytime I post a new video. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. And if you're subscribed, thank you and God bless you.